Hello, welcome back to Python. Now finally we had to Matplotlib. A tutorial I wanted a long time before. And yeah, today is the day we are covering it. Yeah, why Matplotlib? In our previous videos about data science, we made a lot of stuff regarding altering data, altering statistics, or creating sheets, creating charts and scales, and now what we're gonna do, we want to visualize them, and our new library serves as a visualization utility, so we can visualize simple graphs, linear functions, polynomial functions. We can create pie charts, histograms, bars, all stuff like that. And yeah, with that in mind, let's start first of all installing Matplotlib. If you're using PyCharm, you can just type in Matplotlib, move your cursor above the word Matplotlib and click on install. If you wanna do it with pip install, just write pip install Matplotlib. But yeah, in this series we are mainly focusing on pyplot, so Matplotlib pyplot, which will be automatically installed if you install Matplotlib. And yeah, you can do it like that, or you can from Matplotlib import pyplot. You can do it like this. We do it like import Matplotlib pyplot as plt. So what we also need is NumPy. We covered it in another series. I will, everything we need from NumPy I will explain as shortly as possible. So if you want to know everything about NumPy on a full extent, I recommend to watch any video regarding NumPy. But for now we just need the basic stuff out of NumPy, and it's really easy to explain it quickly. So what are we gonna look first? First we wanna create a little diagram with plot. And first let's do the easiest kind of diagram, which is just a few points. So we can also do it as a list. But yeah, instead of a list, let's do a NumPy array. Like this, which is just a one-dimensional array containing 6 different values. And yeah, now we wanna plot it, so we wanna make a diagram based off this values in a diagram. And yeah, this is the y-axis, and the x-axis will generate it automatically. So let's just do plt, which is for pyplot, plt.plot. And yeah, as an argument we use our I. And yeah, what we also should do is we should show it so you can look at it. You see, let's run it. Oh, I'm in the wrong script. Let's run it. So here we go. We have our figure, and yeah, starts from 0 at the first element. On the x-axis we get 4 because we have a 4. Of course, at point 0 we have 1, not 0, because there our y-axis value at 0 is 1, then we had it to 4, and 6 like in our list, and or in our array, and last but not least 14, because we wanted to make a huge jump at the 4. Okay, I put it on the right as a small one. So of course we can define our x-axis like this. has to be fitting to our y-axis, I-axis. Let's do 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Oh no, that's one too much, I guess. Yeah, 5 values to 5 values, and yeah. Now we have our second argument, which is x. Let's again run the code. Now, as you can see, our new graph looks like this, simply based on the fact that first of all we are putting the x-axis and then the y-axis. This was totally stupid. Now let's do it again. On our code. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. Now it's comparable to our first graph or first diagram, but yeah, of course, like I said, at x1 we get 1, at x3 this time, because the second value of our x-axis is 3, we get the 4, and so on. So now let me show you a little problem that can occur. Let me alter our values a little bit. First of all, let's just take out the x. Yeah, I will pause the video. 1 second. Okay, I altered it, so now let's rerun our code. And yeah, a problem that can occur is that this is hard to be read by a human. We don't even know how much values this graph shows. So what can we do? We can add a marker. So if we use as an argument marker equals O and 1 again, now we get these little dots. Each represents a value or a point on our graph. And yeah, makes it, in my opinion, much more readable. But yeah, there are many options how you can use these markers. You can use an X. This will look like this. You can use a star, my favorite, by the way. I mean an asterisk. But of course it will look like a star. Beautiful, in my opinion. If we want a diamond shape, we type in D. Like here. And yeah, other possible ones are a point for a point. You can use a plus sign for plus. You can P for a pentagon, H for an hexagon. You can use 1 for a triangle down. You can, what else? You can do a pixel with a comma sign. And you can use an S for a square. Many possibilities. If you're really interested, you can just Google it. It's pretty easy to find. If I won't forget it, I will put a link in the description below. And if I forget it, please write a comment, then I will add it. Okay. What we also can do, we can use a format string. For example, we already know D is for a diamond shape. Now let's add a colon and let's add an R. And yeah, let us see what happened. Nothing? Yeah, because I forgot to erase the argument name, because here, bam, that is what happens. Now we used an argument which is a formatted string, which defines first of all the shape of our markers, which is diamond, then the shape of our lines, which is now a dotted line, and last but not least, we defined the color of our graph, which was red. So default one is a solid line. Like already said, you can do a dotted line. You can do a dashed line like this, or you can even do a dotted dashed line like this. No, like this. Come on, like this. And this is a dashed dotted line, for example. colors can be R for red, G for green, B for blue, C for cyan, M for magenta, Y for yellow, or I for yellow, K for black, and W for white. What we can do next, we can define our marker size, ms. M is for marker, S for size. Let's do a 15. Run our code again. Bam, the markers got much bigger. To be honest, I don't know what the default size is. I guess around 4, or even it's depending on the values. I don't know it. But yeah, you can edit it with ms. If we want to define a marker edge color, so there is an edge around there's an edge around our markers, like in, let's do it in not in black and white, or white would be totally stupid. Let's do black. Now let's see this. You see the black line around our markers. And also the marker face color equals, let's do white. What we did now is we changed the color of the markers to white. So marker face color for the markers, marker edge color for the edges, and red is the overall, the default value, because we set it in our formatted string. If you want to change your line style differently, you can just add the line. You can line style equals dotted. Let's do the default one. Let's do dotted. Let's see what happens. Now the line style is also dotted. Will give us a warning in the console, because we defined it in the format string and then again. But that's possible. Or in short, you can also use a character. Just can line ls was it. Let me have a look on my script. It was ls, and then we can type in our character to make it even shorter. As you see, works the same. And line color, I don't need to show it, I guess, but line color, in short LC, is standing for the color of the line, so we can do it manually as well. Can be useful if you want, have something like our I values, and just want dotted lines without any markers. Or line ls equals, you can do it like this. And that's it. I hope you liked the video. How do you think about putting the graph on the right side so you can see our outcome? Please leave a feedback in the comments if you want, and see you next time. I will show you how to add labels, how to rename the certain values, and but this knowledge should be enough for your first visualization of data. And hopefully see you in the next video. And with that in mind, I would like to show you some outtakes, but I didn't have anything for today. Maybe I will add a stupid joke at the end. See you, bye bye. Bye bye.